Cold world. Yeah. Let me take y'all back, man.
Hello, all. I am back. I didn't upload one Monday. I know, but I have never missed a Monday since to the Monday that just passed, due to the simple fact that I was a busy bee. Work was totally in the way. Didn't have a chance to film or anything of that matter. However, I did post a look that I created on my Instagram, so hopefully that made up for that. So you guys should definitely follow me on Instagram. If I can't do something, I will post. Maybe it won't be a video, but it somehow will be, you know, makeup inspired. So and yeah, I'm back. Let's get into the inspired look that I have. Let me put some pimping in it. Ooh, okay, I think that's somewhat better. But yeah, I'm just blending out the concealer at the moment. The concealer I'm using is Toffee by LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I won't be doing that much talking. I'm just going to get right into the look. P.S. This look is inspired. And it's inspired by a fellow follower, and I love her. I follow her on Instagram. Her name is Rayjay. I saw it, and I said, let me see if I can achieve, maybe put my little own spin to it. But it was so dope. It was very beautiful. So I'll be sure to tag her at the end of this video, and I hope you guys enjoy. See you at the end. And also one more thing before I really get started. I'm still on my brows. What I do, so I always put a darker concealer on the top of my brows. Sometimes I don't always necessarily conceal the top, because the bottom be, you know, fine, and the top be fine as well. So, but some type of help if you want to learn more things about brows and help you not always have that, you know, that very highlighted type all around your brows. Do a darker concealer at the top. And definitely if you're doing a natural makeup day and you're just doing brows, just do a darker concealer. Make sure you blend it out really well, and you're good to go. Yellow I have left. Like, I'm literally skipping off a little bit of yellow that I have. But anyways, this yellow is just gonna be my transition shade. Moving on. So basically I am blending in a green and a dark blue. Looks like kind of like shells of a mermaid, you know, merman, whatever you want to but anyways, just a blue and a green. Kind of look like I'm about to do the halo effect. Just blend, tap that blue, tap that green that you used earlier, and just blend out the halo. Then out them edges. So what I have in my hand is I couldn't even diamond eyeliner. And this diamond eyeliner was $1. It's a gold eyeliner basically. It was from Shop Miss A, and this will be my first time using it. Make sure I shake it up. Alright. This is the applicator. I can get it out. Okay. You know, regular. Anyways, gold eyeliner. If you have some gold eyeliner, use it whatever color that you think will go with this look. However, I have gold. I believe gold will. Kind of like an emerald. It's kind of like an emerald green anyways. You're going to trace out your halo at the top. My light. How rude. See? No respect. But you're going to trace out the halo. Okay. Not what I expected, but let's see. Yeah. And if you don't like it, best believe I will okay, it's growing on me. Wait a minute. I'll be right back. That quick with a little 1-2. How I think it should be looking. I just kind of like took my brush that had the emerald green that's in the middle of the halo and like blended it out and downward, kind of tap motion, and it made it look so much better. I'm not sure if you all can see it. Oh yeah, you can see it definitely. But yeah, just gonna do the top of the halo. That's what she did. Let me see. But anyways, what I'm gonna do is take the liner applicator and apply it on my brush, because she also has some in the middle, you know. I'm just gonna, so basically, I think I should just heavily on the T part of the halo and drag it down a little bit, basically. So lightly on the middle. So it doesn't overpower that very pretty eyeshadow that you miraculously started using. That's sad. Only thing that's done right now is eyebrows and the lashes. I've probably been sitting here for almost an hour. No, let me not exaggerate. Not take me that long, but yeah. Yep. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna be really pretty. Okay, let's do a close up. Yep. I like it. Better. Very better. Take some of that green I had and dust it on the top. Is the face. I will be right. Foundation brush. The foundation that I'm using today, Fix Plus NW45. It's a sample. I really like it. I really need to go get it. It's from one of my clients that I had when I done her makeup, and she said I could have the samples that she got. So I was rolling, like I was edging onto the 45 and see if it was my shade. It actually kind of was. It was. So I'm really liking how it looks on me. I really just need to go get a full bottle because I'm running out of the sample, as you can see. But anyways, just gonna apply it over on my face, and I'm gonna blend that out, and I'll be right back.
Blending it around. I'm just blending it with a damp sponge. Sponge is from Shop Miss A. It's $1 and it works wonders. It's a really good dollar sponge. Anybody looking forward into, purchasing from Shop Miss, I definitely recommend you try out there. Anything you try out first, get the sponges and get lashes, because that's the first thing that I purchased. They got a lot of variety of lashes. But I just blended it out with a sponge. Get up there on the 5 head.
Beautiful bronze, and I'm not beautiful bronze, toffee for a chance. Highlighting under my eyes, not so much. And then I'm gonna do the the cupid's bow. My lips are very muted right now due to the foundation. Right in the middle, and a little bit on the forehead. And I actually been working on contouring, so we're gonna see how that works out. And the contour stick that I'm going to be using today is by Fenty, and it's her Match Trio, and it's gonna be the concealer shade Espresso. have not set my face yet. Got the lash mascara on. Now we're gonna do a lip. A lip. We're gonna be doing like a brown. So I'm gonna be using NYX lip liner in Hot Cocoa. I have chapstick on because my lips were really muted to try to work it on. Just gonna use some Hot Cocoa. Not too much, not heavily on it. That might work for a lip. Next lip liner now, lip we're going to use. It's most likely either Beauty Mark by NYX Andre. This is Corset. Which one is Beauty Mark? And this is Teddy. Okay. Beauty Mark can pop up any moment now. These are my favorite nudes. Alright, Beauty Mark's not popping up. We're gonna work with Teddy. That's my second fave. Kind of matches the Hot Cocoa lip liner. I'm just tapping it across my lips. One more nude, you can do Corset, and I'm gonna apply it in just the middle, right there. Perfect. Give me 1 second to get right on. Earrings on. I done applied some macaron highlight by Shop Miss A. You know, ooh. I get appalled by Shop Miss A very often. Beaming on the nose one time, down the bridge. My Cupid's bow gotta be popping because I got nude lip on. Nude. There we go. Drop the brush. Anyways, you guys. Ooh, my hair. Well, my hair is twisted, but anyways. And this is the finished. Light is so disrespectful, but this is the finished look inspired by Rayjay, and I will tag her in this. I really hope she loves my recreation inspired type. Try to do it the same way she did, a little bit more, I don't know, but it came out nice and I'm digging it. And I'm digging the lip. And any questions on the products that I have used, everything will be in the description box below. Also my Instagram, make sure you add that, and don't forget to hit the bell to get notified when I post it, which is every Monday. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And you guys, I hope you enjoyed this look close up. And I will see you all in my next video. I feel like I'm missing something. Probably not. But ooh, I forgot to tell you all, the mask is this mascara, not lashes. Look at them. Don't they look like I got lashes on? Who edges? Who ain't got edges? Who ain't got edges? Who ain't got edges? Who ain't?